Hong Kong, an international city renowned for its efficiency, where millions rely on the metro daily for transportation. Safety and operational efficiency are the eternal theme of rail transit. A small gap could become a safety hazard. The diverse station environments pose challenges to traditional detection systems for platform screen door. High precision, rapid response, and comprehensive safety protection are now essential. BEA sensors ensure stability and safety in all conditions, day or night, sunny or rainy. BEA sensors utilize laser technology in conjunction with advanced algorithms to accurately detect and identify people or objects in the gap between platform screen doors and trains, even if a small object is present. The sensors can trigger an alarm within 20 milliseconds, simultaneously reopening the platform screen doors and stopping the train to ensure safety. Since 2023, 3,150 BEA laser scanners safeguard millions of passengers daily in East Rail Line.
In APG system, the PDS, what we call is the passenger detection system, will be provided to detect any passenger that may be trapped between the APG and the train body during train departure. In East Rail Line, most of the platforms are curved and outdoor platform, so we cannot use traditional PDS. Indeed, three-dimensional laser scanner type from BEA has been adopted, thanks to the system design and the stunning humility feature of the PDS. According to our record, the performance of the PDS is stable and can perform detection normally, even though in heavy rainstorm. So we can say that it is a critical component in our APG retrofit project in the East Rail Line.
BEA sensors are ideal for safety protection projects involving platform screen doors on new metro lines. Additionally, their simple and intuitive installation make them highly suitable for retrofitting platform screen doors on existing metro lines.
At BEA Sensors, our mission has always been to create solutions that protect people while strengthening the foundation of society. Growing a safety automatic world creates peace of mind for everyone, everywhere. Our advanced sensors technology in platform screen doors ensure every journey is safe, giving families peace of mind and ensure smooth mobility in cities. We innovate today to anticipate tomorrow, designing safety solutions that evolve with the society's needs. Together, we are building a future while technology doesn't just serve society, it actively protects and empowers it.
BEA sensors safeguard every journey, enhancing the safety of your metro travel.